So a minor rant and a bit of a public service announcement. So those that watch the channel, you'll see how much I love, stroke hate, these door stores. And this is a really good reason as to why you'll never see them in any of our vans. Come and join me. So here's the hateful little creation, which should really be burnt, but those little marks that are sitting there correspond lovely with that gouge there. So look at that, look. How can you design these so badly, and how come nobody's checked? There's nothing different about this van, and this isn't the first one that we've seen. They're just prolific at causing damage, no matter what manufacturer these come from. And there's a few out there that have now decided that these are really good to make. They're really not, they're just harbour tat. Yeah, and why would you want to put them on your van if they're going to do that? That's really nasty. Let's go around the other side. So if you work for one of these crazy companies that want to make these horrible things, that really, I don't know what you're going to put in there apart from a load of rubbish and small things, and perhaps stuff that's also going to fall out and cause damage to your van. This is what they do. And this side's even worse. I mean, the poor owner of this van has bought these two really expensive parts thinking, oh, what a handy little thing they might be. Well, it's just now cost quite a lot in terms of wasted money to start with, and now a trip to the body shop where it doesn't end at painting just that quarter, that's then into the door, and that's a lot of time and effort just to sort out what is a really bad bit of damage. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with these doors. This is a twin slider combi, not an unusual van, really lovely spec. There's now quite a significant amount of damage to the rear quarters. So you really need to do yourselves a favour. If you see a van that's got these in it, take them out, put them in the bin where they belong. Really the worst modification that you could do to any T5 or T6.